Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Random Nest. I am Alita. I'd like to thank everyone who is subscribed to my channel, and for all who are new, welcome, and I do hope you will subscribe too. I'm developing a series called Alita's Art Gallery, in which I will be uploading videos on a weekly basis, or twice a week perhaps, of the drawings I create. By no means am I a professional artist, nor have I been professionally trained, but I am creative, and only recently have I discovered that I can doodle a bit. And while in COVID-19, I figured, why not take the time to create some art? So I want to start my first video with a picture. My first picture that I call Stained Glass. Oh, and this will not be one of those series whereas I physically draw something. These videos will focus on the picture and how it came about, the method behind my madness, if you will. Originally, I called this picture Color Blocks after seeing a design on a bag, a tiny bag that I had. I improvised and enlarged them. I also separated the blocks with the black lines that you see, which were not in the design of the bag, but I tweaked the design to make it my own. The coloring tools that I used to make this drawing were oil pastels. Notice how no one block is the same color. Once my son saw it, he referred to it as stained glass, and I thought, it does kind of look like stained glass. And there you have it. Until next time, thank you, gracias, obrigado. Be safe and be well. Ciao, bye-bye.